Hi everyone, and welcome to another BAM unboxing. This time it's a BAM geek box. If you don't know who BAM are, they're an American based company that does they do BAM Geek, BAM Horror, BAM Gamer, BAM Anime, BAM Ultra, and BAM Comics. and in the BAM Geeks, Horror, and Anime, and Geek, Gamer, Horror, Anime, you get autographs authenticated, yeah, by Beckett, one of the biggest in America, and you get some props, pins, fan art prints signed by the artist, fine little cards, art cards signed by the artist, and yeah, so it's quite a few good stuff. If you're a geek, I mean, come on. If you collect I don't know, cardboard boxes, yeah, you're a geek. You're a collector. You know what I mean? And if you enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, and comment would be nice. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. With your dead cricket you're going to feed to your spider. And yeah, without further ado, let's crack on with this, shall we? And get this bad boy open. Number 5, come alive. There's number 5. Righty then. Get this open. It does feel light, this box, this month. Been a bit squashed, but we'll see. So as always, to give you the first look in. Look at that. Yep. And the first thing out of the box is a BAM paper. I'm a BAMer, I'm a BAMer, it does me good like it bloody well should. I'm a BAMer, I'm a BAMer. There you go. That's what we call, if you buy a box, you're called a BAMer. Yeah, if you want to be a BAMer, I'll leave a description down below. Also, oh, this is a good pin. Wonder Woman. I like this pin. Got no face, but Wonder Woman. I forgot what the franchise is. Obviously one's a Wonder Woman. Yeah, one's Wonder Woman. And what else? I don't know. It's full of geeky goodness. So yeah, there's an art pin. Right. And I don't know that by. And yeah, Josh somebody, and that signed 3000, mine's 1039, and yeah, signed. Cool. There we go. Straighten that bad boy up a bit, I think. There we go. Yeah. Just trying to think what the franchise is. I can't think. They got a card anyway, so it is good. And as always, they got a BAM card. And what you do, you have to match 3. You can win a PS3, television, box, whatever. Yet to win anything, but free flat screen TV. Right. That's a box, isn't it? It's a PS. Free PS4, Xbox One. I ain't won nothing. And oops, you're out a lot. Oh yeah. And a free slab, comic slab. Yeah. So I ain't won nothing. So on with what's in the box. What's in the box? And yeah, you do get props, film props. So I don't know what's in here. Oh, dog tags. Maverick. No, not Top Gun, surely. They're heavy. Mitchell, yeah. Top Gun. Cool. Dog tags. Yeah, look. Cool. Sorry, I'm going out of picture a bit here. But yeah, you can see. I like that. I do like that. Yeah. Yeah, Maverick. Top Gun. Yeah. We like that. Yeah, we do like that. We'll put that in there. We'll leave that there. Right. For the art print, fan art print, it's BAM authenticated. And it's Horsefella. Yeah. Never heard of it. Signed by this geezer, whoever he is. Who is it? Did he say? No. Alright. Horsefella, never heard of it. Not a bad print. And for the Beckett signature. Oh. Authenticated. That'll be something to do with peanut, isn't it? I think. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We got the featured celebrity. Oh God. Right. Featured celebrity. Oh, Rugrats. See what it is, and it's, what's her name? Who's in my flip? Voice actor. Known for Pee-wee's Big Adventure and Powerpuff Girls and Rugrats. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Egg Daily. Yeah, I think you see it now. Cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's her. I like things like that, you know. And index card and a celebrity, celebrity autograph, some lies scratching her heads, yeah, collector's pin, artist gallery, into the, I'm on this one here, cartoons, No, I still don't know that one. Prop item. Taking it back to the 80s. This month you expected Maverick. Replica dog tags from the 1986 Top Gun. Absolutely. Pucker. And artist select card. Conjuring a villain series sketch. Created amazing sketch. So, Horak, don't know. Yeah. 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 So that the dog tags, and yeah, horse fellow, and that and that includes this month's July 2001 Geek Box, which you can see is quite interesting and good. But unfortunately this is my last Geek Box. Yeah. Good note to end it on. I'm getting too many boxes from them at the moment, and yeah, and things ain't selling well on eBay, so I don't want to be holded down, so to speak. So when things start picking up, I'll get it again. You know, it's a good box to have. Yes. Well then, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. With a dead cricket, you're going to feed your spider. And with that, stay safe, wear a mask, get your injections, keep your distance. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.